Harmonic motion is a motion that moves back and forth under a force proportional to the amount of displacement from a central position that moves back and forth. The time interval of each complete vibration is the same. Harmonic motion is involved with everyday activities, whether we know of it or not. An example of this simple harmonic motion is a vibration of a mass attached to a vertical spring. In this situation, elastic potential energy would be present, which would exert the force that is proportional. This motion is given the term harmonic because musical instruments make such vibrations that in turn cause corresponding sound waves in the air. A common example of harmonic motion would be bungee cords and rubber bands. These items both behave very much like a spring, meaning it will oscillate when stretched from a position of stable equilibrium. Also, as a moving vehicle goes over any sort of bump, the spring in its shock absorber assembly is compressed, but the elastic potential energy of the spring immediately forces it back to a position of equilibrium, thus ensuring that the bump is not felt through the entire vehicle.
Examples of harmonic motion are seen everywhere on a daily basis. A prime example would be the sunrise and sunset people all around the world experience every day. Throughout the year, the time of the sunrise and the time of the sunset slowly but surely changes. When this is graphed in a sine or cosine equation, the sunrise and sunset both have an amplitude, a period, and time as well. These elements are also portrayed in any form of harmonic motion, making the sunrise and the sunset examples of this type of motion. Also, harmonic motion is repetitive, just like any sine and cosine graph. As mentioned before, the sunrise and the sunset is shown on a sine and cosine graph, supporting the idea of these being examples of harmonic motion. Overall, this project has shown how much math and science is portrayed throughout many aspects of everyday life.